Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video is my financial abundance binder day, where I have $80 in prop money and 12 saving challenges that is going towards my sinking funds. So let's get started. So I am going to use my cards here to determine which envelope we are going to start with. All right, and let's go to 12. And this is created by Debt Free by 43. I don't know why that sounded so wrong. So let's go ahead and scratch. Let's do this one. And this is a purple crystal for $6. That really needs some batteries. 5 and 6. All right. Next, we are going to 5. 5 is the thriftist, so is shop. And let's get color cards out. I'm actually going to put these up here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but let's move some stuff around. All right. Let's get our colored dice here. Let's pick one out the bag. And let's do this one. Green. Oh, right on top. We almost finished with green. And we got 5. So let's see. Ooh, that is a hot 10 coming in. So $10. So $10 is going to this one. And we only got one more scratch for green. Which one we have? Have we did all of them? I think, yeah, we scratched at least one of them once. So that's perfect. And we're going to put those cards back in here. I'll put the green die back in there. Next, we are going to 1. And 1 is budget with Carly. And it says 55. I'm going to put these over here. Give me some room. So let's go here. Oh, and that is $6. $6. Budget with Carly. Next, we are going to 1 again. Okay. Back to budget with Carly. She needs a little attention, which is a lot of scratches here. So, yeah, we give her some attention. Let's do this one. And that is $2. So, 2 more dollars. Next, we are going to back to 12. 1 and 12. Just taking the money. I was like, where'd it go? So back to Debt Free by 43. Let's go on this side this time. And that is $4. So, oops, let's put $1 back and grab a 5. Ooh, your choice. My choice is, let's roll a D12. No, we're not doing 12. 3. I'm like, we are not doing 12 or 1. Ooh, so this one is created by Stuff and Budget. This was the Easter Fun Easter Hunt. And I know Easter's over, but we still gonna use what we got. So let's scratch here. Oh, look at the cute Easter egg. So you find an egg is $4. Let's do that one again. Let's do this one. This is candy for $6. That is cute. So $10. That is too cute. $10. And that's stuffing budget. All right, we're going to 2. 2 is Bookish Mama Budget. Is this the one I'm almost finished with? I forgot. Yes. Okay, I think I might do these 2. This is 45 plus. We got a 4 and a 4. $8. And we finished this one. So 5, 6, 7, and 8. And this is a 45 plus. So let's see how much we save and what sinking fund is this going to? Oh, of course, one of the kids. So it saved 20, 40, 5, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4. $54. So let me get, so then plus 54. And I think this is less. I need to go because we went birthday shopping. So I think this is less. Plus 44 is $289. And that is for my son. So that is completed. And we'll put a new challenge in here for him. All right. And let's see where we're going to next. 11. 11 is Mystic Budget. And this is her carded and diced saving challenge book, but I just took a page out and we are doing just like one page at a time. I might put the book back so you guys can see the whole thing. So we are going to scratch. So let's scratch. I don't know. Let's do this one. Oh, we got a moon. Hold on. I got to see what the moon says. What we got to do with the moon? I need the instructions. Here we go. So the moon. Pull 3. Okay, so you get your cards. And it says pull 3 and stuff the largest and the smallest. Pull 3, subtract the smallest from the largest. Okay, I think I understand that. Hold on, let's clean this up. Okay, let's put that over here. The instructions here. And let's see. Hold on, let me shuffle these cards up. Okay. And then let's cut the deck. Okay, and it says pull 3 cards. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. And then let's do the largest. It says stuff the largest and smallest. Oh, these are some big numbers. So, okay. And stuff the largest and smallest. Pull 3. So you can do either one of these. Subtract the largest. Subtract the smallest from the largest card. So I don't know. Am I overthinking this? So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna add the 2 smallest numbers, which is 11. And right? So 11 minus 10. And I just save $1. I don't know, Gems. That's what I'm gonna do. I don't know. I don't know. Or subtract the small. Hold on. I gotta think this. No, what I'm gonna do is, so subtract the smallest from the largest. Right? Or should I do, I don't know. That's what I'm gonna do. I don't know. And then let's do the other gang, because I don't know if I did that right. So let's do her diced up, which is, let me get a, where's my dice? My dice here. And then let's roll. We got a 2. I don't know if I comprehend that right. Oh, let's put that in. We got a 5. And then the last 2 left, we add them up and then save that amount. 4. We got another 4. We already did 4. 6. All right, so we are saving last 2 left is $4. So we are going to put $1 back and grab a 5. Perfect. All right, we are going to 4. I think I spent a little bit too much time doing that one, but it was hurting my brain. So 4, this is created by Keely Creations. And this says 80 plus. So let's do this one. Ooh, we got a party hat. Party hat is $5. So let's say $5. All right, next we are going to 8. Who was 8? 8 is Champagne's Corner. All right, we stop here and let's see. 1, back 2. 1, 2. Or should I already did that? So let's go to back 2 and go 1, 2. Okay. So that's $3. So we're going to say $3. I'll just be making my own rules. And then let's go forward again. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I got on here if I land on a character that is $1. So I'm going to do $1. And let's go one more time. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yikes. $5. So let's put that here. So $5. So that is $5, 6, 7, 8, $9. Okay. We are going to 7. Ooh, 7 is the humble budgeter. That is living my best life. All right. And those are these cuties here. She's just living her best life. And I am going to roll a D. Is this a D12? Yeah, a D12. 2. So we are going to card 2. And woo, last time we got that 20. So let's go up here. No, I don't even, do I got 15? This card right here is giving me the business. Let's see. We got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Woo. Yes, we had the $15. No IOU on this one. All right, friend. You want to live your best life. If you think you got a budget of a Mercedes, but you don't, girl. You don't. Oh, I'm about to put that back in there. But you don't. All right. So let's count and see. Count each one to see how much did each one get or got. So let's see, you guys see that okay? So envelope 1 got $5, $6, $7, $8. She is coming along. And envelope 2, it has been completed, and that was $54. And this one got $10 for envelope 3. Envelope 4 got $5. Envelope 6 got 5. Did I say this was envelope 4? I don't know if I said that. I don't know. Envelope 5 got $10. 6 we didn't get to play today. 7 got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15. 8 got $5, $6, $7, $8, $9. 9 we didn't get to play. 10 we didn't get to play. 11 got $5. And then 12 got $10. I guess that wasn't too bad. I think it was like 2 or 3 we didn't get to play. All right, and that is it. That is my financial abundance binder with my 12 seeking funds. All right, gems, I'm gonna have to condense this because it is stretching out. So thank you everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.